stop scrolling because 2027 is about to change the truck game forever. These aren't just heavy-duty machines. They are unstoppable giants built to conquer anything in their path. Massive torque, extreme towing power, and designs that look straight up intimidating. This is a whole new level. Every truck on this list is engineered to break limits and dominate roads like never before. And you're watching all this power unfold right here on Honest Auto Wheels. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Because once you see these insane machines, you won't believe what manufacturers are bringing into 2027, from groundbreaking engines to next-level technology. These trucks are built like beasts and perform even crazier. They're louder, stronger, and more aggressive than anything you've ever seen before. So stay with us till the end, because each reveal will hit harder than the last.
Number 5.
This isn't just another pickup truck. This is a machine that looks like it drove straight out of a construction battlefield and decided to dominate the road. Imagine raw power, extreme durability, and next-level luxury fused into one unstoppable force. That's exactly what the 2027 Kenworth pickup truck brings to the table. Before you even think about skipping ahead, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it, because what you're about to see will completely change how you look at pickup trucks forever. The 2027 Kenworth pickup truck is not playing in the same league as your typical Ford, Ram, or Chevy. This beast is built with Kenworth's legendary heavy-duty DNA, the same engineering that powers massive commercial trucks across highways worldwide. From the first glance, you notice the aggressive stance, the oversized chrome grille, and the muscular body lines that scream authority. It doesn't just sit on the road, it owns it. Under the hood, this monster is rumored to pack a high-performance turbo diesel engine, likely inspired by Kenworth's commercial-grade powertrains. We're talking insane torque numbers that make towing look effortless. Whether it's hauling construction equipment, pulling massive trailers, or just flexing raw power on the highway, this truck delivers performance that most pickups can't even dream of. The acceleration might surprise you too, because despite its size, it moves with confidence and purpose. But power is just one side of the story. The 2027 Kenworth pickup truck is also built for extreme durability. The chassis is reinforced with high-strength steel, designed to handle punishing conditions without breaking a sweat. Off-road capability is another area where this truck shines. With advanced suspension systems, all-terrain tires, and intelligent four-times for technology, it can conquer mud, rocky paths, and steep inclines with ease. This isn't a truck you worry about scratching. This is a truck you push to its limits. Now, let's step inside, because this is where things get even more impressive. You might expect a rugged, basic interior given its heavy-duty nature, but Kenworth flips the script completely. The cabin is a blend of industrial strength and luxury comfort. Premium leather seats, a massive digital dashboard, and a futuristic infotainment system create an environment that feels more like a luxury SUV than a work truck. There's plenty of space too, making long drives comfortable and fatigue-free. Technology plays a huge role in this truck. From advanced driver assistance systems to smart towing features, everything is designed to make your life easier. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and even AI-powered driving support that learns your habits over time. This is not just about power, it's about smart power. One of the standout features is its towing intelligence system. This truck doesn't just pull weight, it understands it. The system automatically adjusts power distribution, braking, and suspension based on the load you're carrying. That means safer towing, smoother handling, and complete control even under extreme conditions. Fuel efficiency might not be the first thing that comes to mind with a truck this powerful, but Kenworth is expected to integrate modern fuel optimization technologies to keep consumption.
Number 4.
The ground shakes, the air growls, and something unstoppable is coming. This isn't just a truck. This is raw power on wheels, the 2027 Cat Titan X, a machine engineered to dominate anything that dares stand in its path. Imagine a pickup, so aggressive, so overbuilt, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a force of nature. From the first glance, the Titan X makes a statement loud and clear. This is not for the ordinary driver. This is built for those who demand absolute control, brutal strength, and next-level performance. Under the hood, the 2027 Cat Titan X is rumored to carry a monstrous high-displacement twin-turbo diesel engine, pushing out insane torque figures that redefine what a pickup truck can do. We're talking about the kind of pulling power that laughs at steep climbs, shrugs off massive loads, and keeps going where others simply give up. Whether it's hauling extreme cargo, towing heavy-duty equipment, or conquering off-road terrain, this beast doesn't just perform, it dominates. The exterior design is unapologetically bold. Massive steel-reinforced grille, aggressive LED lighting, widened stance, and armored body panels give it a look that screams durability and power. Every inch of the Titan X feels purpose-built, from its oversized all-terrain tires to its elevated ground clearance designed to crush rocks, mud, and sand without hesitation. This isn't just designed for style, it's designed for survival in the harshest environments. Step inside, and the story shifts from raw toughness to controlled luxury. The Titan X blends rugged utility with premium comfort. High-end materials, digital command displays, and smart driving systems create an interior that feels like a cockpit of control. Advanced off-road modes, real-time terrain monitoring, and intelligent suspension systems give the driver complete confidence no matter where the road or lack of road leads. Technology in this truck isn't just about convenience, it's about dominance. The Titan X is expected to feature AI-assisted driving support, adaptive load balancing, and extreme condition performance tuning. This means the truck constantly adjusts itself to deliver maximum efficiency and power in real time. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or pushing through deep mud, the Titan X thinks, reacts, and conquers. But what truly sets the 2027 Cat Titan X apart is its identity. This isn't a truck built to compete, it's built to lead. It represents a new era where heavy-duty capability meets futuristic engineering. It's for those who refuse limits, who see challenges as opportunities, and who demand a machine that matches their ambition. The 2027 Cat Titan X isn't just coming to the road, it's coming to take over it. And once it arrives, everything else will feel.
Number 3.
What if one truck could crush every limit you've ever known? Power, dominance, and pure road presence wrapped into a single unstoppable machine. The 2027 GMC TR50 pickup isn't just another truck entering the market. It's a warning shot to the entire automotive world. The moment it rolls onto the road, everything else suddenly feels outdated, underpowered, and irrelevant. From the very first glance, the TR50 demands attention. Its aggressive stance, massive grille, and razor-sharp LED lighting don't just look bold, they look intimidating. This isn't a truck that blends in. It owns the road, whether you're cruising through the city or tearing across rugged terrain. Every inch of its design screams strength, engineered not just for style, but for absolute dominance. But the real story begins under the hood. The 2027 GMC TR50 is rumored to pack a monstrous high-output engine, pushing horsepower into extreme territory. This isn't about daily driving comfort, this is about raw, untamed performance. Acceleration feels explosive. Torque hits instantly, and whether you're towing heavy loads or climbing brutal landscapes, the TR50 doesn't hesitate at attacks. Step inside, and you're met with a completely different world. GMC has blended luxury with aggression in a way that feels futuristic yet practical. Premium materials, advanced digital displays, and a driver-focused cockpit make you feel in control of a machine that's far more than just a pickup. Every button, every screen, every detail is designed to enhance the experience of power. Technology in the TR50 goes beyond expectations. Advanced driver assistance systems, AI-powered driving modes, and next-gen connectivity turned this beast into a smart machine. It adapts to terrain, adjusts performance in real time, and keeps you connected without distraction. This isn't just a truck, it's a high-tech command center on wheels. Off-road capability is where the TR50 truly shines. Reinforced suspension, extreme ground clearance, and advanced traction systems allow it to conquer mud, sand, rocks, and anything else you throw at it. It doesn't just survive tough conditions, it thrives in them. This truck was built for those who refuse to stay on the easy path. And let's talk about presence. When the TR-50 pulls up, people notice. It's not just the size or the sound, it's the attitude. This truck carries a level of authority that's impossible to ignore. It tells the world you're not here to follow trends, you're here to lead. The 2027 GMC TR-50 pickup isn't for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's for those who demand more power, more capability, and more presence than anything else.
Number 2.
The moment this machine hits the road, everything else looks weak. This is not just another pickup. This is the 2027 Caterpillar Beast 900, a truck built to dominate, intimidate, and completely redefine what power means in the heavy-duty world. If you think you've seen strong trucks before, think again, because this beast is engineered like a moving fortress with raw muscle in every inch. Under the hood, the Beast 900 is rumored to carry a monstrous high-displacement turbo diesel engine pushing extreme horsepower and insane torque levels that leave traditional pickups far behind. This is not designed for light work or city cruising. This truck is built for the toughest terrains, the heaviest loads, and the most demanding environments on the planet. Whether it's construction sites, off-road deserts, or hauling massive equipment, this machine doesn't hesitate, it dominates. The exterior design screams aggression and authority. Massive steel grille, reinforced armored body panels, and oversized all-terrain tires give it a bold, unstoppable presence. Every detail is crafted for durability and performance. High ground clearance, advanced suspension system, and extreme duty axles make sure this truck can handle punishment without breaking a sweat. It doesn't just look powerful, it performs like a beast in every situation. Step inside, and you'll find a surprising level of luxury blended with rugged functionality. Premium leather seating, advanced digital displays, and cutting-edge technology surround the driver with comfort and control. Caterpillar has clearly focused on making this truck not just powerful, but also intelligent. Features like adaptive terrain response, real-time load monitoring, and enhanced driver assist systems ensure that you stay in command no matter how extreme the conditions get. One of the most impressive aspects of the Beast 900 is its towing and payload capability. This truck is expected to handle massive loads effortlessly, making it perfect for industries that demand serious strength. It's not just about numbers, it's about confidence. When you're behind the wheel of this machine, you know it can handle anything you throw at it. Fuel efficiency might not be its main focus, but Caterpillar is working on advanced engineering solutions to optimize performance while maintaining that incredible power output. This balance between strength and efficiency makes it a practical choice for professionals who need reliability and endurance over long hours of operation. The 2027 Caterpillar Beast 900 is not built for everyone, and that's exactly what makes it special. It's designed for those who demand the absolute best in power, durability, and presence. This truck doesn't follow trends. It sets a new standard in the heavy-duty segment. If you're looking for something ordinary, this is not it. But if you want unmatched strength, bold design, and next-level performance, the Beast 900 stands ready to prove that it truly deserves its name.
Number 1.
What if I told you there's a truck so powerful, so refined, and so brutally capable? It doesn't just dominate the road, it owns it. The 2027 GMC Sierra Denali 6500 isn't here to compete. It's here to take the crown. This is not your average heavy-duty truck. This is a statement of power, luxury, and next-level engineering combined into one unstoppable machine. And if you're thinking about buying a serious workhorse that also feels like a premium SUV inside, then you need to watch this carefully because this truck might just be the king you've been waiting for. The first thing you notice about the 2027 Sierra Denali 6500 is its aggressive and commanding presence. This truck doesn't try to look tough, it just is. The massive chrome grille, bold LED lighting signature, and muscular stance make it impossible to ignore. GMC has clearly pushed the design further this time, giving it a sharper, more futuristic edge while still keeping that classic Denali luxury vibe. It's the kind of truck that turns heads whether it's parked outside a luxury hotel or pulling serious weight on a job site. Step inside, and everything changes. You go from rugged beast to premium comfort instantly. The interior is where GMC really flexes. High-end leather, real wood trims, brushed aluminum accents. This is luxury on another level. The seats are not just comfortable, they're designed for long hauls, with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The massive digital display, upgraded infotainment system, and advanced connectivity features make it feel more like a high-end SUV than a heavy-duty truck. Everything is placed perfectly, giving the driver full control without feeling overwhelmed. But let's talk about what really matters: power. Under the hood, the 2027 Sierra Denali 6500 is expected to come with a monstrous Duramax turbo diesel engine, delivering insane torque and towing capability. This is the kind of truck built for serious work. Whether you're hauling heavy trailers, construction equipment, or massive loads, this truck doesn't struggle, it thrives. The improved transmission system ensures smooth shifting even under extreme pressure, while the upgraded suspension system keeps everything stable and controlled. Towing is where this truck truly shines. GMC has introduced enhanced towing tech that makes even the toughest jobs feel easy. Advanced trailer assist systems, multiple camera angles, and intelligent load balancing give you confidence no matter what you're pulling. This isn't just about strength, it's about smart power. Even if you're not an expert, this truck makes you feel like one. And then there's the ride quality. You'd expect a truck this big to feel rough and stiff, but GMC has worked hard to refine the driving experience. The suspension absorbs bumps surprisingly well, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. It's smooth, controlled, and comfortable, something that was rare in trucks of this class before. Safety has also been taken seriously in the 2027 model. You get a full suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision warning systems. This truck is not just built to perform, it's built to protect. Whether you're driving through the city or tackling long highway journeys, you feel secure behind the wheel. Now, let's talk about fuel efficiency, because yes, even in a heavy-duty monster like this, it matters. While it's not going to compete with smaller trucks, the improved engine tuning and smarter fuel management system make it more efficient than previous generations. That means more work, fewer stops, and better overall value in the long run. So, who should actually buy this truck? If you're someone who needs extreme towing power, unmatched durability, and luxury-level comfort all in one package, this is for you. Contractors, business owners, heavy haulers, or even someone who simply wants the biggest and baddest truck on the road, this machine delivers on every level. But let's be real, it's not for everyone. This level of power and luxury comes at a price. The Sierra Denali 6500 is expected to sit at the higher end of the market, making it a serious investment. Also, its size might not be ideal for tight city driving or daily commuting in crowded areas. This is a truck built for purpose, not compromise. So, is this the king of heavy-duty trucks? Honestly, it just might be. With its perfect balance of brute strength, advanced technology, and premium luxury, the 2027 GMC Sierra Denali 6500 sets a new standard. It's not just a truck you buy, it's a truck you rely on, a truck you trust, and a truck that makes a statement every time it hits the road. If you're looking for something that can do it all without breaking a sweat, this might be your ultimate machine. The real question is, are you ready to handle this level of power?